Good morning everyone. Here's Aishika Luthra of class 11th Commerce Group. Today we are going to discuss about uses of accounting information. Uses of accounting information. The accounting process provides financial data for a broad range of individuals whose objectives in studying the data vary widely. Three primary uses of accounting information were previously identified: internal uses, external uses, and government. Each group uses accounting information differently and requires the information to be presented differently. As we have studied now, so there are two types of uses of accounting: internal and external. First of all, we'll discuss about external uses, typically called financial accounting, the record of a business financial history for use of external entities in used for many purposes. The external user of accounting information fall into six groups. Each has different interests in the company and wants answer to unique questions. The group and some of their possible questions are: that are investors, lenders, suppliers, customers, tax authorities, government, auditors, and public. Some of the ways external users employ accounting information include the following: stockholders have the right to know how a company is managing its investments. Federal and state government require tax returns and other documents often prepared by accountants. Bank or lending institutions may use accounting information to guide decisions such as whether to lend or how much to lend a business. Investors will also use accounting information to guide investment decisions. Internal users accounting supplies managers and owners with significant financial data that is useful for decision making. It includes owners, managers, and employees. So as we can see, uses of accounting includes owners, management, employees and trade unions, creditors, banks, leading institutions, private investors, potential investors, government and tax authorities, regulatory agencies, and researchers. Definition of external users. External users are those individuals or groups who are outside the organization, like creditors, investors, bank, and other lending institutions, private and potential investors, government, tax authorities, regulatory agencies, and researchers. So, internal users come under management accounting, and external users come under financial accounting, which is further covered with owners, managers, government agencies, investors and creditors, employees, and internal users come under owners, managers, and public. Management accounting supply financial information to help internal users. Financial accountants supply financial information to help both external users and internal users. So this was all about external and internal uses of accounting. Thank you.